So this example tells us to suppose that a city with a population of 900,000 has been growing at a rate of 5% per year. And we're asked if this rate continues to find the population of the city in 10 years. So remember that our controlling equation for an exponential growth is y equals c, where c is the initial value, times 1 plus r to the x power. Let's look at what values we know. The initial value here is that we're starting with 900,000. The rate at which we're growing is 5%. This was per year. I'm going to jot that down because remember that x is the number of time periods. So I want to make sure I remind myself that yes, it was 10 years. Those guys match up. And so really then at this point, this is just a plug and chug kind of problem. We have 900,000 times 1 plus 0.05 to the 10th power. And so we're just going to get out our calculator and type that in. So 900,000 parentheses 1 plus 0.05 end the parentheses, raise that to the 10th power, and there's your answer. So 1,466,005. So that's how many people we can expect in this city 10 years from now is 1,466,005. So we start with the generic exponential growth equation. We figure out what values need to be plugged into each of the variables. And then in this case, we just straight up calculate.